Hey guys, I apologize. Sorry for not checking in. It would have been early this morning for the close. I did try and get stocks to trade up. I was having a few technical issues, and then I had to get up in 5 more hours to train a few people at the gym. So that's why I'm working two jobs currently now. So saving, saving, saving. I've come to the conclusion that short trader I'm not going to be participating in. To be honest. It's just not for me. Okay, so I'm going to be saving. I'm going to be learning more. You're probably wondering, Scott, I haven't seen many trades happening recently. You're correct. Okay, so last week I had morning shifts, which means I wake up at 2:30 in the morning. So it's very hard for me to get market open at 10:30. It would really mean I get like 2 hours sleep, and that's inappropriate, to be honest. Because if I do get the market open and things are happening, I just can't leave. I'm just drawn to it because I enjoy this, and then it takes a little while for me to get to sleep if it's all happened because I do the journaling, I do a video analysis thing, I might do live trading stuff. So you just have to appreciate that it's hard for me to get to sleep. Okay, because I can't just take sleeping drugs because I'm not going to be able to get up and function because it's only by the time they're still working, I'm going to be up. So that's not going to work either. So what I do really 2 weeks in the month is just focus on learning right now. So I am working towards getting redeployed in another area, occupational health and safety. So I don't exactly have those qualifications, but I did go to university for 4.5 years. So my company I worked for was pretty understanding. So they might see what they can do. So because I have a good understanding of the workplace and everything like that. So, but like what I will tell you guys is don't be too focused on, and I'm going to deviate a little bit here from trades and everything. Just really focus on learning. Okay, that is the main thing that I would say to you. Do not just be like, oh my God, I got to make money straight away. Please don't do that. It's very tempting too, and if you make a few trades and they're winning, on the paper trading account and everything, like wow, like this is making sense to me. And I understand some people, it makes sense quicker than others. But for me, it's a little challenging because I've only done like 34 trades or so, and that's not a lot for me to say like, yeah, I understand this. So anyway, so just it's learning this week. It's not so much trading. What I want to do is bring up MGTI. Oh, good. I thought it was going to freeze. This is what happens. Like it loads up, and then I click a ticker, and then it just freezes. But this is interesting. So it got as high as 320. What I'd like to see is potentially a dip by here. So I think Bitcoin has dropped again a little bit. I'm just going to touch upon a few stocks. I'll touch upon MGTI. I'll touch upon Snap and maybe NXTD. What were the big gains? Anyway, let's just have a look at the Bitcoin price. The reason why I'm looking at the Bitcoin price is it's correlated to MGTI. They do Bitcoin mining. So I think it's just consolidating right now. Bitcoin, it's not. Yeah. Okay, so it's flat a little bit. So we'll see. Might go back down again. It sort of looks like it wants to fall off the cliff. Just looking at that, it sort of does, from a technical analysis standpoint. As a disclaimer, I don't trade cryptos, so I'm a forex guy as well, but not cryptos. So, yeah, MGTI. I'd like to see it panic a little bit and bounce off the 260 support level. I mean, if we get the 10-day chart up here just to justify my position. I think it was 260. Maybe not 260. 240. 240. What am I talking about? 260. What are you talking about, Scott? I'll get the daily chart up. $2 is pretty. Well, I mean, yeah. If we go off the 5-day moving average, it's sort of 260. That might be what I was thinking about before. Anyway, so we'll see. Again, it's not an exact science. So, like, if it doesn't hit that spot, but it starts turning, then it's still, and the volume's there, it's still okay, really. I'll just go back to. Oh, it's nearly time for me to get a brief rest in. sure what the trading volume was. How did it end? So it went from 305 to. It's weird how it's saying $3, but it looks like it closed at 290. Okay, anyway. Alright, so Snap had a bit of a fade. Just get rid of these. So we've got his 22 now. It's sort of, and the Dow Jones is down a little bit again. We'll see how it goes tonight. It's tonight for me where I'm in the world, in Perth. Shout out to all the people who trade in obscure time zones as well. Wherever you are in Asia and South Africa, is pretty difficult. For New York, trading hours anyway. Dubai, Australia. Look, so Dries is, yeah, this was pretty uneventful as well. So BPSN, BPSN. Again, it's a little bit of a dip by there, but I was just not in a position to get market open. It's sort of it's a bit of a peak time at work as well. It's almost like, the world against me. But I have an iPad that I've got in my vehicle and I watch the charts and on Market Watch. So even if I did have mobile access to trading, I probably wouldn't, because obviously with the day trading and the intraday stuff, it's, you've got to be focused, and I'm driving at the airport, so that would be extremely inappropriate. Even I would sort of, that's my point of like, no. TVIX is interesting, and it's sort of, but it's very choppy. When I'm not interested. I know Tim's also mentioned this. He's not. It's just hard. Like, I don't have the psychology to withstand this. So, POTN. Yeah, it's just not good, really. Look, in conclusion, I'm still watching MGTI. Dries is pretty uneventful. We'll see what the top gainers were. Yeah, so TVIX is, but it's, you rule that out with bad price action. MEDSU. Let's try and remember this. MEDSU. Poor internet connection just down there, so yeah. Okay, well, what is that about? Pardon me. This is interesting. I don't really know what to say to this, to be honest. It's $10, and yeah, I'm gonna close that down. That just looks ridiculous. That's not tradable, so close that. And look, guys, I'm going to conclude things here. I had a look at POTN. The wheat stocks, are they recovering? It was more the previous couple of days, like that Tuesday. So you'd hold overnight on the Monday to the Tuesday when it recovered the Dow Jones, but now it's sort of looking like it's down again. It was last night, so be careful, guys. I won't be trading again tonight. I will try tomorrow for market close. I'll be up at about 4 in the morning, so stay tuned for some live trading. Anyway, guys, in conclusion, no clear direction right now for the session, but yeah, I mean, really what I will do is just, if I was trading, I would refer to the top gainers just to see what pops up. I mean, is it biotech stuff, medical? Is it going to be weed sector? Is it going to be a bit of blockchain? Everything's been a little bit reserved, so we'll just see what happens, guys. Be adaptable. You've got to be quick with executions. Good luck. Bye for now.